Hello everyone here and welcome to my channel Graphic for You. Today I'm going to show you how to create a three-dimensional background using 3D element plugin from Video Copilot in After Effects. It's very easy and let's get started. First create a new composition, then hit OK. Go to Layer, New Solid, and I'll call it Element. Then OK. Go to Effect, Video Copilot, and Element. Go to Scene Setup and create a cylinder. Okay. Now I don't need these sides, so I'll go to sides here. Now we don't need these sides here, so I'll go to sides and decrease it to 6. Not 5, 6. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. And also I don't need this smooth thing here, so I'll go to no smoothing and check. See. Yeah. Now I go to presets and I'll choose this color, drag and drop. Then OK. Now I'll go to layer, new camera, and OK. Go to tools, and this is our camera track Z or track YX or orbit camera. Now we can control our shape from C on keyboard. Okay, if you want to move like this or scale like this, or yeah, from C. Okay, now I'll go to element and effect. Now I'll go to group 1, particle, and set point to 3D grade. Okay, go to shape scale and increase it like this. And also we don't need grade Y, so I'll decrease it like this and go to grade X, change it to 10, also Z 10. Yeah, again increase and see, make it 88. Okay, yeah, very good. Also I want to scale X scale here to 1.8. okay, yeah, this is our shape on group 1. Now I want to copy this shape group 1 to group 2, so I'll go to here, copy / paste group and copy, then I'll go to group 1, okay, and copy / paste group and paste. Okay, now I'll go to scene setup and go here, click and shift and take 2, 1, 2. Okay, then okay. Again I'll go to group 2 and position X, increase it like this and see. Okay, also I'll go to position Z and I'll increase it to 1, 1, 0 like this and see. Okay, I think we need to change scale, X scale to 1.7. Also on group 1, 1.7 will be good. Again I'll go to group 2 and yes, that's it. And this is our shape. This is very good. Okay, yeah. Yeah. Now I'll go to layer, new light as a point, and okay. Let me change the position. Yeah. It's maybe something like this. Okay, very good. Now again, I'll go to element and replicator effect, scatter, and I'll change Y scatter. Let me make it like this to see. Okay, Y scatter to 11 and see. In group 1, also in group 2, I'll go to replicator effect, scatter, Y scatter to 11. Okay, yeah. Okay, now I'll go to settings here, make some settings, render settings. I'll go to shadows, enable, check enable, and change to gray. Also I'll go to ambient occlusion and check here, enable, and change intensity to 10. Okay, yeah, and change this color. I'll choose this color, it will be good. Okay, now I'll go to group 1. Okay, yeah, position noise. Go to position noise, and open position noise amount X, Y, and Z, and I'll increase number to this one like this, maybe 200 will be good. And make sure that you are on the first frame. Go to noise evolution, keyframe, go to last frame and change it to 1000 or 300. And no, 200. And see. Yes. Okay, now I'll go to layer, new adjustment layer, and go to effect, color, and tint. I'll choose color, maybe something like this color, and also effect, color, correction, and curves. Make some curves like this, and also effect, stylize, and glow. Okay, and let me increase threshold. Okay, yeah, and let me see light. Yeah, and Okay, this is our tutorial today. So if you like it, don't forget like, share, subscribe, and goodbye.